we have given fractional equation. Let me copy our example. We have 2 over 3y minus 5 is equal 6 over 2y minus 3. First, because we have fraction on the left side and on the right side, we will treat this like proportions. So we will multiply denominator times numerator, numerator times denominator to get rid of these fractions. So we have 2 times 2y minus 3, and this is equal, we have 3y minus 5 times 6. So now we have to multiply every expression in parentheses on the left side by 2. So 2 times 2 will be 4y, 2 times 3 is negative 6. This is equal, 3y times 6 is 18y, negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. Now I will combine the like terms. I will move 4y to the right side and negative 30 to the left. So we have negative 6 will be plus 30 because it was negative. When we move to the other side, we have to change the sign. This is equal 18y we have, and 4y to the right, so it will be negative 4y now. Negative 6 plus 30, so this is 24. This is equal 18y minus 4y. This is equal 14y. So now I will divide both sides by 14 to get y only. So 14 and 14 we can cancel out, and 24 and 14 we can reduce. 24 divided by 2 is 12, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So we have that y is equal 12 over 7. Next we have to check if this solution is correct. How we do this? We have to come back to our equation and we have to substitute y's by 12 over 7, and when the left side is equal to the right side, it means that our solution is correct. So let me copy our original equation. We have 2 over 3y minus 5 is equal 6 over 2y minus 3. So now I will substitute y's by 12 over 7. So 2 we have to copy. We have 3 times 12 over 7 minus 5. This is equal, I have to check, 6 over 2 times 12 over 7 minus 3. Because we have multiplication here and 3, we can always write that this is over 1. The same with 2. So now we have multiplication of fractions. So numerator we have to copy, and we have to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 3 times 12 is 36 over 7, and we have minus 5. We have to check if this is equal. We have 6 over 2 times 12 is 24 over 7 minus 3. So now, because we have here improper fraction, we have subtraction. So first I will change this to mixed number, and numerators I will copy. So we have 2 over 36 divided by 7. This is equal 5, and 1 over 7 minus 5. This should be equal, like I said, numerator we have to copy, and 24 divided by 7 is 3, and 3 over 7. Let's check. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24, so we have 24 over 7, the same. Now we have mixed number minus 3, and numerator we have to copy, 5 and 1, 7 minus 5, so it will be 1 over 7. This should be equal. We have 6 over 3, and 3 over 7 minus 3, so it will be 3 over 7 only. So now we have division, because this main fraction bar means division. So we have 2 divided by 1 over 7 should be equal. We have 6 divided by 3 over 7. How we do division when we have fraction? We will change 2 to fraction also. We change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction, so it will be 7 over 1. This should be equal. We can write 6, that this is 6 over 1. Division sign we change to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction, so it will be 7 over 3. Now when we have multiplication, we can check if we can reduce. We can reduce 6 and 3, so it will be 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So on the left side we have 2 times 7. We have multiplication of fractions, so numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 2 times 7 is 14 over 1, so this is 14. And on the left side we have 2 times 7 is 14 over 1 is 14. Left side is equal to the right side. It means that y equal 12 over 7 is solution for our fractional equation.